Hey everybody, McKenzie Westmore here. I apologize for what some might think is a crazy look. It's just because I'm testing out products today for skin and a new lippy that might be coming soon. But I wanted to do this video because I've had my body coverage perfector on, let's see, today's Sunday and I applied it last Tuesday. And I went on camera, you guys saw me on QVC, I did my hour show, I did QVC Beauty IQ, went through the whole weekend, I've been working out, I've been showering. But however, during this time when I was home before I left, I knocked my leg really bad on the dishwasher. And so I just wanted to do this video to show you because I know there was something really bad hiding underneath this. I just can't see it yet because I've had the coverage perfector on. So I wanted to take a video, just live, rogue, and do this like really fast just to see where this goes. But just to show you my legs so you can see they look nice, they look tanned, they look with color, there's no bruising, there's nothing bad going on, but I am convinced that there is something pretty nasty going on underneath. So you're actually gonna watch this with me to see if there is a bruise hiding underneath. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna take my little bit of baby oil and I'm gonna put it on the towel, and right around here is right where I knocked my leg really bad on the dishwasher. So you can see it's coming off. It's coming off pretty easy. Oh, yep, I was right. Sure enough. I don't know if you can see this well enough with the lighting. I'm not sure if you can see this. Look at that. Look at the swelling and the bruising that was hiding underneath. But thank God for my body coverage perfector. You would never know. But now this just means I've got to go do a touch-up. Oh well. It's just nice to be able to show you guys exactly what this product can do for you. So if you are somebody that has knocked your leg on the dishwasher and you want to be able to have coverage and not have bruises running down your legs like I usually do, go ahead and give it a try. There's 4 different shades to choose from, and I'm just so excited. I mean, not excited that I have a bruise, but excited for you all to try it. Bye.